So today we're going to be creating a veteran theme election yard sign. Now our election yard signs come in the dimensions 24 by 18 and they all have a half-inch white border around all sides. So to get things started, we start off with the background and the background here is going to be in our stock reflex blue color. Now we just size that up to the proper dimensions, remembering to include the half-inch border. So now we're going to be incorporating a stars and stripes design to the yard sign. And for the stars and stripes, we're going to give it that old, tattered, kind of worn out aesthetic that you typically see associated with any veteran themed designs. We're going to move the stripes over to the left side of the sign, and we're going to make sure to leave enough space on the right side of the sign, which is where we're going to have all the text and the information written out. Next up for the background, we're going to create the star. So we're going to go ahead and make that and size it up, and we're going to place it over the stripes. Let's go ahead and reduce the size of the star a little bit. We don't want it to exceed past our borders. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create some separation between the star and the stripes behind it. And to do that, we're going to make the star white and we're going to give it a reflex blue outline. So here you can see we're adding the outline. And now we'll just invert the colors. There we go. We have the white star with the blue outline. And you can see the separation between the stars and the stripes. And that is it for the background. Now it's time to add the text. So for the text, we're going to start off with the campaign slogan, and we're going to make a veteran themed campaign slogan. And here we're just writing veteran reporting for duty, and we're going to place that at the top of the sign. And below that, we'll have the candidate's name. All right, let's type out the candidate's name now. It's Craig Walker. So this is the most important piece of text on the yard sign. This is the one you want your audience to see, the candidate's name. So we're going to make that the largest and the boldest text on the sign. Here you can see we're sizing it up, and now we're going to reduce the space between the first name and the last name a little bit. And let's move that down a little bit, just below the slogan. Okay, next up, we're going to type out the position that the candidate is running for. In this case, Craig is running for county sheriff. So let's go ahead and type that out. Now this is the second most important piece of text on the sign. So this should be the second largest and boldest text on the sign. And we're just going to go ahead and center that right below the candidate's name. Make sure everything is perfect. And then finally, it's going to be the political disclaimer. All election yard signs should have a disclaimer saying who paid for the ad. So let's go ahead and type that out. Now, since this is just a disclaimer, it's going to be the smallest piece of text. So let's size it down. And we're just going to place that right at the bottom of the sign right there. Okay, we're just doing some final adjustments now, making sure there's good space in between each line of text. And there you have it. That's a veteran theme election yard sign.